Okay.
What do you?
Over to my work.
Okay, you can do your work.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just going to work.
Oh, what kind of work do you do?
My work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
My work job.
Your work job?
Yeah.
Oh. And what do you do at your work job? Do you work on a computer or do you do something else at your work?
Works on my computer.
Oh. What do you do? Do you send emails?
Yeah.
I send emails at my work. Did you know that?
I send emails at my work.
And what else do you do?
Can you wait? Just play and play.
It's gonna make a lot of noise in a second.
Nice.
I'm trying to get there.
What did you say? You're trying to get there.
Make it quiet.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm wiping
Here's
that.
my work.
You're in your work now?
Where is my work?
I don't know.
Maybe let's try the other way. Let's try the other way. Christmas decorations today. I need to go to Christmas decorations.
Okay.
I need to work in my work
Okay.
computer. So I will work to get there.
You will work to there.
Just toys.
Just toys?
Yeah.
Oh.
And everything.
And everything?
And beds.
And beds?
My bed. And Rebecca's bed.
Yeah.
And your bed in there.
Yeah.
And Daddy's bed in there. Everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you wash your hands? I'm gonna take some of your hair out.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. All right, I'm going to go back downstairs and finish cooking dinner. What are you going to do?
Just working today.
Just working today? Okay. All right, well, I'll see you later.
Do you see something now on my work computer?
Do I see something there? Yeah, I do.
No, it's not.
What?
Do you see some things on there?
I do see some things on your work computer, yes.
No, you don't.
I see lines.
No, you don't.
What are you talking? What do you mean I don't?
Just see dinosaur bones
Oh, I'm sorry.
on Christmas.
On Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's the flow of
Hey,
water.
I'm here.
Fill it up pretty quick.
I got it out on my line.
Okay, bye.